In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix if your Galaxy Watch 8 can't make calls. First is to do basic checks and quick fixes. On your phone, you can go to the settings and find your connections and then turn the Bluetooth on and ensure that the airplane mode is off. Next is to enable calls on phone. In phone's Bluetooth settings, you can tap the gear icon next to your watch and make sure that the calls toggle is on. Now, restart your device. Reboot your Galaxy Watch and your connected phone. You can also check the proximity. Keep your watch and phone within 10 meters of each other. And open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone to check for updates and ensure that permissions are all granted. Another tip is for advanced troubleshooting. If you have an LTA watch, confirm that your carrier plan is active for the watch and check for any call batting or forwarding on your phone or carrier account. You can also check the watch settings, which is to ensure that the block unknown private numbers is off in the phone app settings. And that's how you can fix the can't make calls error on Galaxy Watch 8, and thank you for listening.